Hey, and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to share 5 ways to generate passive income online. And even the term passive income is something I don't like to throw around much because I don't think it really exists. It takes a little bit to get going. But then once you get it going, there are periods of time where it can be passive, I guess. So I've got 5 ways I'm going to share with you today. And number 1 is one of my favorites, is to create and sell an online course or ebook. So creating and selling that course or ebook is a great way to generate passive income. It involves creating educational or informational content on a topic that you're knowledgeable about, and that content or course, or it can be put into an ebook and basically sold to others. So one of the big benefits of creating and selling an online course or ebook is that you can do it entirely online. So this allows you to reach basically a global audience and generate income from anywhere in the world. On top of that, once the course or ebook is created, it can continue to basically generate passive income for you without having to do any additional work. So to create and sell an online course or ebook, you're going to need to invest some time and effort into the research, the writing, as well as marketing and promoting it to the potential buyers. But it may also be helpful to use a platform like Udemy, or Teachable to host and sell your course, as those platforms can handle all of the technical aspects of the course creation and sales, including like your checkout pages and payment processing, which is important because if you're going to sell this course, you got to be able to charge for it, right? So I think with the right content and marketing strategies, you can create and sell an online course or ebook, and it can be a very lucrative way to generate some great passive income. All right, the second way is to build and monetize a blog. And this is very popular over the past few years, and it does work. So building and monetizing a blog can be a good way to generate passive income online. A blog, it's just a website or section of a website where you can publish content or articles regularly on a particular topic. So what you want to do is build an audience and attract readers to your blog, and then you can generate passive income through basically advertising. You can also use sponsored content and even affiliate marketing. So to monetize a blog, you're gonna have to choose a topic or niche that you're knowledgeable about and that has a large enough audience to generate an income. You're also going to need to regularly publish like high quality content that's valuable and interesting to your readers. In addition, you're gonna have to develop a monetization strategy, things like displaying ads on your blog, accepting sponsored content, or even promoting affiliate products. And you can do a lot of things with that. You basically do openings or reviews or where you get the product, you open it, and then you have your affiliate link right in that article for it, the people to go and buy it, say on Amazon, or even direct with the publisher. It works really well. So building and monetizing a blog can be time consuming because it does require regular content creation and marketing efforts. But with the right strategies and a little bit of effort, it can be a great way to generate passive income over the long term for you. All right, so number 3 on ways to create a passive income online is to create and sell an app or software. So creating and selling an app or software can be a good way to generate passive income online. An app is just a software program designed to run on a phone or a computer, while software is designed to perform a specific function or a task on a computer. So by creating and selling an app or software, you can generate income without having to do any additional work once the product is developed and released. Now, you will have to be doing customer support on that usually, but like I said, passive income, it's never truly passive. There's always a little bit involved, but you can get it to the point where it's as passive as possible. So to create and sell an app or software, you'll need to have the necessary skills and the knowledge to develop the product, as well as a clear idea of what problem or need it will solve for the users. So you also need to choose a platform to sell the app or software, such as Apple App Store or Google Play Store for mobile apps, or websites like Steam for computer software. It may also be helpful to invest in marketing and advertising to reach potential buyers, of course, because just because you made it doesn't mean people are going to buy it. You got to get eyeballs on it. So creating and selling an app can be a challenging and time-intensive process up front because it does require significant investment of time and resources to develop the product. and make it available for sale. However, with the right idea and execution, it can be a lucrative way to generate passive income after that point. All right. Number 4 in the ways to generate passive income online is to invest in online businesses. So investing in online businesses can be a good way to generate passive income. There are many online businesses that offer investment opportunities, such as crowdfunding platforms or peer-to-peer lending platforms, where you basically have some extra money, you put it up on the platform, other people will borrow it, and then you get to charge them interest. This is how credit cards and banks and loan companies make all their billions and billions in profits, by doing that exact same thing. So you can do this too. So by investing in these types of businesses, you can potentially earn a return on your investment in the form of interest or dividends, which is awesome. You could even ask for equity in companies too when you do it, which is, if a company really blows up, you can make a lot of money that way too. So, I mean, before investing in an online business, it's important to do your due diligence and thoroughly research the company and its business model. This can help you understand the potential risks and the rewards of the investment and make an informed decision. So it's also a good idea to diversify your investments with anything, not just this, but rather than putting all of your money into a single online business, you want to spread it out to reduce the risks. So investing in online businesses can be a relatively passive way to generate income, but I mean, it's because it doesn't typically require a lot of ongoing effort or maintenance on your part. However, it is important to remember that investments carry some level of risk, and it is possible to lose money as well as make it. So it's important to carefully consider the potential risks and rewards of any investment before you do make that decision to put money into it. All right, the 5th way to generate passive income online is to create and sell physical or digital products on a platform like Etsy or Amazon or Shopify, or even a new one to the game, which is really good, is Launchcart too. So creating and selling a physical or digital product on a platform like Etsy or Amazon or Shopify can be a good way to generate passive income. This involves creating a product that can be sold to others, like a piece of art, a piece of jewelry, or a digital product like an ebook or a printable, or even a PNG file. I've done really well with selling basically greeting cards, where the only thing I'm really doing is designing the text and the image on the greeting card, and then I'll list it up on my Amazon store, my Etsy store, and it does really well because I don't have to do anything else. Once I get that up and listed, Etsy will bring me the customers and I'll make sales, and I don't have to fulfill it. It's fulfilled automatically as soon as they purchase. They get to download that file. So it's really good. I mean, once the product is created and listed for sale, it can continue to generate income for me without me having to do any additional work, and I love that. So to create and sell a physical product or digital product on a platform like Etsy or Amazon or Shopify, you will need to have a clear idea of what product you want to create and who your target market is. You're also going to need to invest time and effort into creating the product and listing it for sale on the platform. It may also be helpful to invest in marketing and advertising to reach all your potential buyers. But I mean, creating and selling a physical or digital product can be time intensive, as it requires an investment in the creation and the marketing of the product. However, with the right marketing strategies, it can be a very lucrative way to generate passive income over the long term. So like everything, it's important to note that generating passive income online often requires some upfront investment, and it may not be as easy as some people believe. I know people love to say passive income, passive income, passive income, but it's not truly passive ever. There's nothing that is truly passive. It always requires some kind of effort up front to get you going. However, I think with the right strategies, a little bit of effort, especially up front, it can be a great way to supplement your income and achieve financial freedom. Now, if you're on my channel, you already know my favorite route. That is starting an Etsy and Shopify store and filling it up with print-on-demand products. If you want some help on that, you can go visit my site to learn more. I actually started a very cool thing called the 100K Challenge for 2023, and you want to go to my site and check that out now. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time. I know there's a lot of videos about passive income online. I wanted to give you my 5 ideas on generating passive income online. So if you want to share your experiences, or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next one.